Hey there, it's Casey Dimon from TaxSaleAcademy.com and welcome to this week's quick tax sale tip. This week I want to discuss speed. Most people think of how fast they can get somewhere when they hear the term speed. And the truth is that's exactly what I am talking about, but I'm not referring to a place on the map. I'm talking about an income or perhaps even a net worth valuation. Now, before I say another word, all this comes after learning. All this comes after knowing what you are doing. That is a required prerequisite. As far as learning and trying to do it as fast as possible, speed does kill. But for other aspects of this business, it often wins. Here's what I mean. The term millionaire is always thrown about, and it's definitely not what it once was. And my suggestion is that most people should strive far beyond that title. But nonetheless, I'm going to use it for today's example just to make things easy. Nearly every single person in their working life is going to earn $1 million. If you work from 20 years old to 60 years old, that's $25,000 per year. So nearly everybody is going to make $1 million. Naturally, most of that money is going to go out as fast as it comes in. The only difference between a person who earns $25,000 a year and a millionaire is the time in which they did it. A millionaire knows how to shorten the time frame to make that same amount of money. They know how to shorten their path. My tip for you this week is to constantly work to speed up your path to success. That should be the number 2 thing in your mind behind making profitable deals and not losing money. When it comes to learning how to speed that up, utilize the trainings that I have. Obviously, you should never rush through the tax sale learning process, but leverage the hundreds of videos that I have and the podcasts that I have that are completely free. Get my free book. Join the Tax Sale Academy if you really want to shorten that learning curve. And doing this, is not something you need to rush through, but it can certainly knock off 5, 6, 7 years from your trial and error approach. Now, when it comes to investing, consider expanding market areas much faster. Go to more auctions. This is what removed my income ceiling early in my career. Watching 30 properties get sold provides 1% of the potential success as watching 3,000 properties get sold. Keep that in mind. When it comes to selling, sell properties faster. Consider the approach of taking maybe 10% less if you can save yourself 6 or 9 months of that property being on the market, which you can then roll over and do again and again with that same capital. In the end, you'll likely make more money with that same initial capital than if you had waited to get top dollar. Develop your strategy early to sell properties quickly. And as far as your business as a whole, keep expenses down. Forget about the fancy offices. Forget about large staffs and other income-sucking things that people love to boast about. In the end, most of those things will not help us as tax sale investors. I know because I've been through all those phases in my business. The next one, learn how to run your business as efficiently as possible. Efficiency in all aspects of your tax sale business will allow you to grow faster. It will allow you to gain the speed required to reach your goals. And lastly, eliminate all mistakes. Every single mistake that you make pulls you farther away from your goal. It's like taking 10 steps back for every 1 step forward. Whether that mistake costs you time, money, or energy and focus, every single mistake will kill your forward progress. In short, gain momentum in your tax sale business. Use that momentum to push forward and to focus on how you can operate your business to make money faster. It's cool to make lots of money, but it is even cooler when you can do it over an incredibly short period of time, over and over and over again. I truly hope that this week's tax sale tip has helped you out and maybe even helped to reframe the way you approach your tax sale business. As you grow, as you operate your business, always keep the suggestion about speed in the back of your mind. If you do, you're going to reach the success that you desire much faster than you thought possible. That's all I got for you today. Don't forget to check out the links in today's video description that'll really help you out on your quest for tax sale success, that same success that you desire and, in my opinion, deserve. Hey, take care, folks. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.